I don't care. Today's word is to draw a. Use a purple for slightly plain makeup. Color isolation to brighten the complexion. It feels a little bit wet with a slightly sticky texture. Take a small amount and pat it on your dull place. Zhao Liang wiped it a few more times and then took out the puff. Look! To a distinction. This side will obviously brighten a little bit, and the special yellow areas will be slightly superimposed. Purple neutralizes yellow gas. You can use it directly as that kind of plain cream, which has a little dermabrasion effect. It won't get stuck in powder. And then we put inside. Up and down outside. Then like my neck is more yellow. You can also give it directly with this isolation solution. Combine it and let it wipe. It will be smooth when opened. Open it first, so the color is the same. And then we will use a little concealer. Cover up our flaws. If there are some big ones, you can cover them a little darker. Just cover it with the dark red of the nose. Thin cover. A thin layer is enough for fake makeup. Why is it called fake makeup? After all, it is still plain makeup. And then the overall base makeup is probably like this. The state is more complexion and brighter, and it will not feel that you have stayed up for a long night. Just order it thinly, easily oily land. Fang press it, so that the oil light on the face can be pressed off. And then use our eyebrows. Fill the full hat with powder and use dark brown. Bend the eyelids a little bit and draw them again, and deepen them here. Super conspicuous. And then, eye. Let's stick a double eyelid. I'm going to stick one of those fan-shaped ones. There it is. We used a brown glue pen. It's still smoother. Just dig it out a little bit along this one. Okay, don't pull it too long. Anyway, it is within the range of this inner sum. It will be done here. The eyes feel a little longer and more. The better, the coloring will not be one card at a time. Don't paint too deep because it's foggy when you paint. A little bit down. Go to the super light painting. Just afraid of too much color development. Yes. Will it be too big? No matter, haha. Then we'll cover the end of our eyes with beauty powder. Then we'd better use this glue pen. Lightly draw a little Aegir saliva and rub it with your hands. Then we apply a large area of blush and choose a normal color. Just today. It is not a fake makeup, but a more convenient makeup for going out. Finally, choose a natural lip glaze lipstick, polished or bright. It's a natural lip color. The body is probably in a state like this, and then I will see you.